I thought I knew Europe. I'd seen the Instagram posts, heard the stories. I knew all the places you were supposed to go. But I was completely wrong. There's a corner of the continent that almost no one talks about, and what I found there shocked me. This isn't about the crowded beaches or overpriced cities you already know. This is a country hiding in plain sight, a place where ancient legends feel real and adventure is still raw. This is North Macedonia. So, why is this country such a secret? For years, it just wasn't on the mainstream tourist map, and honestly, that's what makes it so incredible. It offers a genuine travel experience that's almost impossible to find anymore. This isn't some polished-up theme park version of a country. It's authentic. In a single day, you can go from exploring ancient ruins to hiking through dramatic canyons, and then settle into a buzzing local cafe for the night. The distances are short, the landscapes change in the blink of an eye, and the hospitality is just part of the culture. It's one of the few places left where you can still feel like a true explorer, discovering things for yourself. Just 30 minutes from the capital, Skopje, you'll find one of Europe's most breathtaking natural wonders, Matka Canyon. This isn't just a pretty view, it's an adventurer's paradise. I rented a kayak and paddled through these emerald green waters, surrounded by towering cliffs with medieval monasteries literally clinging to the rocks. The canyon is also a hotspot for biodiversity, home to plants and butterflies you can't find anywhere else on the planet. But the real mystery is hidden underground. I took a boat to Vrelo Cave, believed to be one of the deepest underwater caves in Europe. And here's the crazy part. Its true depth is still unknown. Beyond the canyon, the whole country is a playground. It has 3 massive national parks, like Mavrovo, the country's largest, and Pelister, with its glacial lakes known as the Eyes of Pelister. You can hike to a peak and see 2 different countries at once, or ski down alpine slopes in the winter. It's world-class adventure, just without the world-class crowds. North Macedonia's history is incredibly deep, a story told in ancient stones and whispered legends. The absolute crown jewel is Lake Ohrid, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the oldest and deepest lakes in Europe. The town of Ohrid itself is called the Jerusalem of the Balkans because it was once said to have 365 churches, one for every day of the year. Walking through the old town feels like stepping into another era, from its ancient Roman theater that still hosts concerts today, to the iconic clifftop church of St. John at Kaneo. But the country's secrets go even deeper. Near a town called Kratovo, I found the stone town of Kuklica. Here, over 120 stone pillars, carved by thousands of years of erosion, stand frozen in time. Local legend says they were guests at a wedding, turned to stone by a jilted lover. Then there's the Bay of the Bones, a reconstructed village on stilts over Lake Ohrid, giving you a haunting look at what life was like here 3,000 years ago. From its history to its landscapes, North Macedonia is a country that just keeps surprising you. It's proof that there are still corners of Europe that feel truly undiscovered. If you've ever been to a place that completely defied your expectations, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. You can't really know a country until you've tasted its food, and North Macedonia's cuisine is hearty, soulful, and absolutely delicious. Forget bland tourist meals, this is the real deal. In Skopje's Old Bazaar, one of the biggest in the Balkans, the air is thick with the smell of grilling meats and fresh bread. I sat down in a small, family-run spot for a plate of tavche gravche, a slow-cooked bean stew that's the national dish. It was simple, rustic, and just packed with flavor. You have to try ajvar, this incredible relish made from roasted red peppers that goes with everything, and the fresh, crumbly shopska salad. This is food that's meant to be shared and enjoyed slowly with friends and family. It connects you right to the heart of the country. North Macedonia is Europe's best-kept secret because it's real. It's a land of epic nature, with canyons and caves just waiting to be explored. It's a country with a history so rich you can feel it in the ancient stones under your feet. And it has a warmth and authenticity that's become so rare in travel today. This is a place that hasn't been overpolished for tourists, and that is its greatest strength. So if you're tired of the same old destinations and you're hungry for a real adventure, go to North Macedonia. Go before the secret is out.